everybody, it's Alexa here. Welcome to day 17 of our 31 days of Halloween. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Today I just decided to do a Bitten Little Red Riding Hood, or scratched, whatever you want to call it. So we're starting off with a fresh face. I'm using a little bit of concealer here, and we're just going to blend with our foundation into our hairline by our ears and neck. For this look I did use a wig just because I thought she'd look a little bit better with black hair, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. I also used two different color contacts. One is a white contact, and I just chose to use my gray blue contacts just to really make it pop, although I think it would have looked really pretty with just my regular eye color as well. I'm just powdering over this just because we're going to do a lot over it later. I'm contouring, quote unquote, by my temples, hairline, and giving myself a false sense of cheekbones since I have zero. So this look is really easy, it's really glam. Basically all you need is extra would be fake blood. I was going to turn my face into half a wolf as well, but I decided to do the Bitten look. I've adored this. I did it last year, but my computer didn't record it, so I thought we'd give it a go this year. I just put on a little bit of peach blush. I'm using a champagne pink color for my highlighter, just kind of packing this on. She's kind of a glam girl. I'm filling in my eyebrows, making them a little bit more pointed than I usually do. I'm sorry that my monitor, like the lighting was going crazy. I didn't realize that my monitor was like going off and on and off like that. I'm putting a gold champagne color on my lid, blending that to the outsides of my eye. Then we're just taking different colors of tans and browns and just kind of blending them into each other, making it kind of a darker or like a lighter-ish smoky eye. And then we're going to tightline our lower water lash line with a black as well and put a little bit of the black on under that. Using a little bit of a darker brown here in the outsides of my V, using windshield wiper motions and just kind of blending that in. And here's where I'm kind of connecting everything, making it all look cohesive with the underlying of the eye, making it a little bit smoky. I'm doing kind of a thicker, bigger wing, making it really dramatic on both of my eyes. Doing a little bit of mascara. I'm going to put false lashes on. Of course, this is always optional. I think it does tie the look in better, and if you do need bottom lashes, go ahead and use that as well. I put really thick, heavy, real big fluffers on. So I'm taking, it's kind of like, how do I describe this? It's like scarring latex, like it dries darker than it is. It's just basically like peeling off red, dark latex. So you let this dry a little bit. I put it on with a Q-tip. You can put it on with whatever you'd like. I see that it tends to like ruin my brushes if I put it on. Just let it dry. As you can see there, as we're waiting for it to dry, as you can see it's getting darker. We're putting on a dark red lipstick, and I just put a little bit of gloss on top of that as well. You don't have to use red, you can use whatever color you want. I layered 2 coats of this on. We're going back over and we're making the cuts a little bit more fresh, adding some fresh blood, which is lighter and it doesn't really dry, it's real sticky. So I do suggest using a Q-tip for this look. I popped on my just black kind of wavy wig, and I took out one of my contacts, put my white one in, and then I threw a hood on, quote unquote. It's actually just another backdrop I have. I just kind of mushed it all together. There it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next day of 31 days of Halloween. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy Halloween!